Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn in Videos. So in this video we are going to discuss the tracing of curve asteroid using the Python code. So we are writing a Python code to plot the curve asteroid. Also we'll be discussing the code to plot circle as well as lemniscate. So first thing, so from SymPy. So what do you mean by SymPy over here? So SymPy over here, it is the package. Okay, and this from this package, I'm importing plot, implicit function, symbols, as well as EQ. So I'll tell you what are these. So here I'm declaring x and y variables, and I'm calling a function called as symbols. So now this symbols, what we'll do over here is, so this tells our program that anything with x and y will be treated as symbols, not variables. Okay. So next, I'm calling a function called as plot implicit. So this plot implicit function is used to plot the curve. Okay. So now this equation, I'm passing one equation. So what is the equation? Equation is x raised to 2 by 3. Okay. So in Python, if we need to write x square, that means we need to write x star star 2. So that will be considered as x square. So here the question is x raised to 2 by 3. So that is why x star star raised to 2 by 3 plus y star star raised to 2 by 3. So this is our equation to plot. Okay. And x raised to 2 by 3, y raised to 2 by 3 equal to 3 raised to 2 by 3. So this is our complete asteroid equation. Okay. So now we need to pass what will be the possible values of x. So for that, we need to write this code. That is, x will be varying from -5 to 5. Next, we need to also pass the variable for y. So here we have written y is variable varying from -5 to 5. So now in this, if you want, you can put the title also. So what is the title? So title, we are giving it as asteroid. This one, x raised to 2 by 3 plus y raised to 2 by 3 equal to 3 raised to 2 by 3. So after plotting, the title of the plot will be this, the highlighted one, x raised to 2 by 3 and y raised to 2 by 3. Okay, so we shall run the code. So I'm going to run this code. So let us see what will be the output. Yes. So guys, this is our output. As you can see over here, this is the title that we have written over here. That is x raised to 2 by 3 plus y raised to 2 by 3 equal to 3 raised to 2 by 3. This is our this is our asteroid equation. And this is the plot for -5 and 5 for both x and y. So here you can make few changes. So I'll close this. So now, if you don't specify dollar over here, so we'll see what changes we'll get. We are not specifying dollar. We have just removed the dollar. Now we'll see what changes we'll get in this. I'm going to save this. Run once again. Yes. So now here you can see once we have removed the what do you call dollar symbol. So you can see whatever we have typed, it has come in that way. That is x cap raised to 2 by 3 in the flower brackets. So to avoid that, we'll write dollar that symbolizes to the Python code that this should be written in raised to format. Okay. So I'm putting that code as it is, saving it. So this, like this, we have plotted our asteroid. So now we'll see how to plot a circle. So now what is this? Discuss the tracing of circle using the Python code to plot it. Okay. So now, as we know that the equation of circle is x square plus y square equal to r square, where r is the radius. So now the same procedure repeats from SymPy. SymPy is a package. I'm going to import plot implicit, that is helpful for plotting the curve. Next, I'm going to import one more function called as symbols. Next, EQ, that is to hold my equation. So again, so I'm depicting or I'm telling the system that x and y both are symbols. That means wherever you see x and y, treat it as a symbol. So next, I'm going to call the function called as plot implicit, that will plot my equation. So now here I'm going to pass my equation. So what is the equation? Equation is x star star 2, that means x raised to 2 plus y raised to 2. What is the value? Its value is 4. That is, here r is 2. Okay. So here we need to give in the form of a r square only. Okay, not r. So x square plus y square equal to r square. So here r I have given, r square I have given. So now next I need to pass the value for x. Here x is ranging from -4 to 4, as well as value for y, that is y comma -4 to 4, that is y is ranging from 4 to 4. Next again, once again I'm typing here the title, that is circle x square plus y square equal to 4. Now I'll run this 3D I'll run, that is the plotting of a circle using Python code. Let us run this. Okay, so you can see it has plotted x square plus y square equal to 4, and this is the circle. So if you want to make changes, so you can change the radius of it, make it as 16 of, then save it once, then we'll run once again. Yes, so you can see this is my circle. Okay, so next we are going to see the Python code for plotting of lemniscate using a Python program. So now once again we are going to import SimPy, which is a package. So in SimPy we are going to import plot implicit, that is a function to plot our equation. Next, symbol and EQ. So in this line number 3, I'm going to tell the system that treat x and y as symbols. So I'm calling a symbols function that will tell the system that will tell the Python program that x and y are the symbols. So next, I'm going to pass the value for a as 3. Next, I'm calling a function called as plot implicit that I'm going to use for plotting. So here I'm passing the equation. So what is the equation? Equation that I'm going to plot, it is y square star star means raised to, that is y square into a minus x square into a plus x. Okay, so this is my equation, and here I need to specify the values of x and y. So again, x and y will be ranging from -5 to 5. Value of x will be -5 to 5. Value of y will be -5 to 5. And title of this will be this one: y square into a minus x equal to x square into x plus a, or a plus x. So value of a, we have taken it as 3. Now we shall run this and we shall find how it is going to look like. Yes. So this is our graphical representation of lemniscate for our equation for this. Okay. So all the way. And if you have any doubt regarding this, please comment in the comment section. And if you are getting any installation error, so you can visit my first video. There I have shown how to install SimPy, okay, in your project. So I hope you find this video as valuable. So please subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you. We shall meet in next video.